Sir Manny, tapos na. Yeah! Sir, sir, you want me to sing more? Yes, sir. Yeah, I will dedicate this song to you, sir. This song is for you, sir. What about for me? Sige na. Okay na daw, okay. Sir Manny, anong gusto mong kanta, Sir Manny? Usahay, baliling, umatod nila. Medley. Ano ito, Sir Manny? May lyrics o wala? Kasi pag nag-request ka ng kanta, tapos walang pera, walang lyrics ito. Parang -1 lang ito, ha? Maganda yung bago mag-upisa, nagkaintindihan ba, ha? Ladies and gentlemen, here's the very special request as requested by our Senator Manny, a medley of science songs, Usahay, Baliling, Matudnila. No money involved, no lyrics involved, -1 only. Here we go. Ganyan po ang nangyayari sa Senator Manny pag wala kayong pag-request na walang pera, walang lyrics yan. Lagyan natin ng lyrics. Sige. Baka sabihin naman, ano ba itong pinadala ni Senator Atty. Tandri Singer ba ito o swindler? Lagyan natin ng lyrics para hindi naman tayo magmukhang pera. Okay, here we go. Usahay, Baliling, Matudnila, may lyrics na. Senator Manny, akong bahala sa'yo, ha? Ikaw na rin ang bahala sa akin, ha? Pero ikaw, Usahay, Baliling, Matudnila, may lyrics na! Usahay, Baliling, Matudnila. Medley kasi, medley, Baliling, Usahay, Matudnila. Apil na lang mong kanta, apil na lang mong mga buhanga mo. Usahay, Baliling, Matudnila. Baliling, Usahay, Matudnila. Sir Manny, human na. Bye-bye. Ha? Oh my God, thank you very much. Look, ang biro lang yun, joke lang yun, Sir Manny. Magkano ba talaga yan? Anda lang nga, para gino akong makuha ito. Ha? Dito banda. O sige, lapitan na natin dito. Sir, mas malapit na ako, sir. I'm closer to your pocket now. Thank you. Yan, okay. Salamat. Anong kanta gusto ninyo, sir? Kahit na walang ganun na kanta, sige, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special request. This song was composed by a composer, arranged by an arranger, now sung to us by a singer. Actually, this song was composed by one of my cousins. Ladies and gentlemen, Lionel Richie is my cousin. Kasi itim ko lang, hindi ko naman cousin talaga. A song entitled, Hello. Yeah, Lionel Richie. Here we go. Hello. But in 2 years na, hindi po natapos ang composition, naubusan siya ng idea. So he kept the composition. Luckily, there was a Filipino composer na awa sa kanya. Tinulungan siya para matapos yung kanta. That's why the song is a bit inclined to Filipino music. Alam mo ng Filipino, pag tumulong, gusto rin makilala ang buang. Here we go. I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I kiss your lips 1,000 times. Sometimes I see you walk outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what to do. I'm sad and lonely, or if someone's loving you. Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. At sa kalalakad ng pakendeng-kendeng, tapos na, palakpak na. Sir Manny, tapos na talaga. Isa pa? Isa na naman. Ano ba ito naman, Sir Manny? Oo. Oo. Sige na, ay, last na to, Sir Manny, ha? Oh. Last na to. Last na to, Sir Manny. Ah, sige. Kung saan kanta ako, no? Kung saan kanta? Ah, sige, bahala na to. Ako nang bahala, Sir, ha? Binisaya, Sir? Ah, may dagdag ang bayad. Okay, so here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the very special request. Asong entitled, anak-anak, kanta ito ni Freddy, sir. Binago kong lyrics ba? Alang-alang sa'yo, sir. I am willing to sacrifice just to make you happy. I'm not over yet as long as you sacrifice your money. That's a song entitled Anak. Anak. Siyempre, lilibor pa. Alangan man lumabas agad. Unahin yung labas bago libor. Nabuang mo. Oha! Ayun, labas na, sir. Kasi pang siyam na, sir. Baliwala na lang. Para nagluluwa na lang sa nabuto ng santol. Nangisilang ako sa ulong gapo. Laking tuwa ng nanay ko. At meron na siyang anak na negro. At ang lolo at lola ko di malaman ng gagawin. Minamasdan tisoy nilang apo. Sa gabi napupuyat ang aking nanay sa pag-inom ng ladies drink. May komisyon, may komisyon. Kung na magagawa receptionist kasi ang nanay ko. In other words, in English, my mother was a hostage in Olongapo. Sa umaga na may kalong ako ng aking amang anak rin ng negro. Dalawa na kami. Ngayon nga'y malaki na ako, malaki na rin ang ko. Manang-mana ako sa nag-imbita sa akin dito. Ako nga'y biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang ulo ko. Kaya tinawag akong Totoy Stone. Di lang nila alam ng ginagawa'y para sa show ninyo, palakpak naman kayo. Pagkat ang gustong masunod ang layaw kong di ko sila pinapansin. Nagdaan pa ang mga araw at ang landas ko'y naligaw. Ako ay napunta rito sa Jensen. At ang una kong nilapitan ang pogi kong kaibigan. At ang tanong, Senator Manny, pwede ba kong kumanta riyan? At ang kanyang mga matay kumikindat. Sabi Norman, walang bayad yan. Pagsisisi at sa isip ko nang malaman ko ako'y nagkamali. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here's the English version of the song. Since we have maybe some foreign guests tonight and they don't understand what we are talking, what we are laughing. So I'm gonna translate this one in English, of course, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the English version of the song, sung to us by the late member of the Beatles. If you're familiar with the group Beatles, the group who used to popularize the song, If I fell in love with you, would you promise to be true? And heaven and nature sing. Sir Manny, Merry Christmas! English version, sir, English version. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, oh let it be, let it be, oh let it be. And in my hour of need, she'll come right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be again. Let it be, oh let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Now, sad to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that song was not really finished because John Lennon was already dead that time. Just clap your hands and the song is ended. Thank you very much. Now for the very last song, let's do some rock and roll. You want to hear some rock and roll? Loud up, please. You want to hear some rock and roll? Sorry, I don't play rock and roll. But I will try, I will try. Oh, there we go. So yes, together, do like this, do like hey. Rock and roll! Si Pilimon, namasol sa kadagatan. Nakakuha, o isang tambasakan. Gibaligya, sa merkadong guba. Ang halin poroskura, igorang gibaro ba? I said 1 for the money, a 2 for the show, a 3 and go. But don't you clap your hands and step on my blue sweat heel. Well, you can do it at same step on my blue sweat heel. When I was a little baby, my mom would rock me in a cradle in that old kind of beach back home. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the icy water, this land was made for you and me. Now everybody sing the song. I know that you know the song. Here we go. Repeat after me. Here we go. You are my sunshine, everybody. My only sunshine. Louder. You make. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Gusto ninyo mas masaya? Mas masaya? Panahon na para magsaya. Forget mo na ang problema. Padans-dans para sumigla. Rock and roll ang umaga. Wakot sa pangmapag-cry-cry. Sa kuwa'y turubigay. Kaya dyan na lang kayo. Let's all have a good time. Ang panahon ay nag-iiba. Dumadami ang problema. Marami sa may asawa. Nagpapanggap na dalaga. Wakasan na lang kumadre. Baw ka lang ng baw. Pasingsing ka lang para ikaw ay sumaya. Pasingsing ka lang para ikaw ay sumaya. Palakpak naman para ako ay sumigla. Alright, thank you!